Good day everyone. Today we have Alup compressor. It's a combi version of compressor. So down here, it's on the air receiver. We have a 275 liters air receiver. Upon that, in this part right here, is installed air dryer. On top of the air dryer is the air compressor. It's 11 kilowatts air compressor, but this one particularly, it's up to 15 bars air compressor, so it's pretty powerful machine. Around 1.5 cubic meters per minute. It's in a great condition. Only, I think, 10,372 working hours. Upon that, 7,000 on the pressure. So let's start it up. Let's see how it feels pressure. This compressor is really silent among other compressors. So the main point is you have the whole pack: the air dryer, the air receiver, and the compressor combined. It's 2 bars already. This compressor can hold up to 15 bars. And also, that's echo drain from the air dryer that releases air condensate from the air receiver and the whole system. You got the point is that you got really clear air on the end. So you have these pre-filters. So one is 0.3 microns and the other one is 0.01 microns at the end. The air is really clean and also really cold. Five bars already, so that's about it. Thank you and good luck on your bids.